everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the preparation of phenols from benzene sulfonic acid, and also we are learning the mechanism. First of all, let's see what are phenols. Phenols means just for a benzene ring, if OH group is directly attached, it is then called as phenol. We can also call phenols or the aromatic hydroxy compounds. Where the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring, it is called as phenol. Now here in this we are preparing the phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. So now let's see the reaction for this preparation. See, when benzene is treated with H2SO4 or oleum, oleum is a combination of H2SO4 plus SO3. If a benzene is treated with H2SO4 or oleum, it will give rise to benzene sulfonic acid, and by eating with NaOH and further acidification we will get a phenol. This is the reaction for this preparation. So here when the benzene is treated with H2SO4, we will get benzene sulfonic acid, and when it is again heated with NaOH and by the acidification we will get a phenol. So here the main thing required is benzene sulfonic acid. In this video we shall see the detailed mechanism of this preparation also. In this reaction, the first and foremost thing is we need benzene sulfonic acid. How is this prepared? Now let us see about this. When the benzene is treated with H2SO4, it is concentrated sulfuric acid, we will get benzene sulfonic acid, and the formation of water takes place. Now let us see this. See, it is C6H6. We already know that benzene is C6H6. When it is reacted with concentrated H2SO4, we will get benzene sulfonic acid. See here the formation of water takes place. That means here is a H and here is OH. So the formation of water will take place, and the remaining thing is here we have taken out H for the formation of H2O. So we will be remaining with C6H5, and here we are having H2SO4. In this H2SO4 we have taken out OH for the formation of H2O. So we are remaining with SO3H. So it is benzene sulfonic acid. This is the reaction of formation of benzene sulfonic acid from the benzene. It is very important for this mechanism. Now let us see the mechanism of this preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. This mechanism consists of 3 steps. Now let's see the first step. Here the benzene sulfonic acid formed from the benzene is neutralized with sodium hydroxide. Then we get sodium benzene sulfonate. So let's see this first reaction. Benzene sulfonic acid. It is the benzene sulfonic acid, that is SO3H. This is the benzene sulfonic acid. When it is neutralized with sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, it will give rise to formation of sodium benzene sulfonate by the removal of water. See here, here is SO3Na. It is sodium benzene sulfonate, and the water is taken out. See here, this is the water H2O, and we are remaining with SO3Na. So it is sodium benzene sulfonate. So this is the solution we are obtaining. This solution is evaporated to get crystals of this sodium benzene sulfonate. So let's once again see this. Step 1. When the benzene sulfonic acid is neutralized with sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium benzene sulfonate plus H2O. So this solution is evaporated to get crystals of this sodium benzene sulfonate. Now coming to the step 2. Sodium benzene sulfonate crystals are fused with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin to obtain sodium phenate. See here, sodium benzene sulfonate crystals which are obtained from the above reaction is fused with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin to obtain sodium phenate. Here we are obtaining sodium phenate. So let's write this reaction here. Sodium benzene sulfonate, that is SO3Na, when it is fused with sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, will give us, see here the formation of sodium sulfide takes place, that is by these things, that is I will write it as Na2SO3. It is sodium sulfite, and the formation of phenol takes place. Now it is not the final reaction. Then again this phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide once again to obtain sodium phenate. You can call this step as intermediate step. If the intermediate reaction is formed in this mechanism, means that is in any mechanism, then the product which is formed will be highly stable. So to make the phenol very stable, this intermediate reaction is formed. So the sodium phenate is formed. So here this thing is again treated with sodium hydroxide. It will give rise to sodium phenate, that is by the removal of water we will get here ONA. It is nothing but sodium phenate. It will make the mechanism, that is the product, very stable. This sodium phenate will make the product very stable. So this is formed now. And please remember, if an intermediate step is formed, means the product will be very stable. So here this phenol is treated with this sodium hydroxide once again. So let's see the step 2 once again. When the sodium benzene sulfonate crystals are fused with sodium hydroxide, we will get this phenol and sodium sulfate. So it is an intermediate reaction. When this phenol is again treated with sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium phenate by the removal of H2O. This is about the step 2. Coming to the last and final step of the formation of this phenol from the benzene sulfonic acid. Here this sodium phenate which is formed from the above reaction, that is in the step 2, is acidified with dilute HCl, will give us phenol. See here, let's take this sodium phenate. Here is ONA. When it is acidified with HCl, that is with dilute HCl, we will get a phenol by the removal of this NaCl. Here you can see here is Na and here is a Cl. So what we are remaining with, here is O and here is H. So it will form the OH. That is phenol is formed here plus NaCl is formed. So this phenol which is formed is very stable. This is about the clear-cut explanation of this mechanism. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.